Do you have an important exam tomorrow or a very important job interview? Well, if any of this is true, let me wish you good luck. But seems like good luck is very boring. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about different ways in which we can say good luck, better ways to say good luck to an important thing that you are going on or your friends and family are going on. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Hridhaan and I welcome each one of you with a very big heart on Let's Talk. The first way in which you can say good luck is break a leg. Break a leg actually means that you go out there and fracture somebody. Huh? Really? No, I'm just kidding. It does not mean fracture out somebody. It actually means be so good that there's nobody better than you. For example, break a leg, darling, you'll be fabulous. For example, your friend is going on a pageant show for that matter. A pageant show is a beauty competition. And you're telling your friend, you're going to be fabulous, break a leg. That means you're going to be better than anyone and everyone. So go out there and beat it all. The next example is, you have a big audition tomorrow. Go break a leg. Well, it's a very important day for the person who's a wannabe actor or actress, and you're saying, you've got a big audition, go break a leg. That means go out there and give your best shot, and good luck. This was all about break a leg. The next time you want to say good luck, you know what you have to say. It is knock 'em dead. You must be wondering what this means. It actually stands for THEM, them. And it is called, in informal English, M. What is it called? M. So it is knock him dead. So you're talking about two parties, your friend and the other person who is your friend's competitor. And you're saying to your friend, knock him dead. The questions will be difficult. Knock him dead, Ron. So the friend's name is Ron, and you're motivating Ron by telling that the questions are going to be difficult, but do not worry, knock him dead. So there are two parties, Ron and the questions. And you're saying, Ron, knock the questions down, knock him dead. Another example is, you're going to participate with best sportsman in the world, knock him dead. Imagine one of your friends is going for a world sports competition, and you're actually saying that they're going to be best sportsmen in the competition, in the world competition. All you have to do is knock him dead. Here, you're suggesting your friend, you're telling your friend, you're wishing your friend a very, very good luck for that. This was all about knock him dead. Let us now move to the next example of this phrase, blow them away. It is blow them away, quite similar to knock him dead, blow them away. For example, you'll deliver a great presentation to the audience, blow them away. Blow them away is that they should be so shocked that they are extremely proud of you, that they feel really surprised as to what has happened in astonishment. They feel really surprised to see in a positive way what has happened and what they have seen. So your presentation should be so good that the audience feels blown away. The audience gets blown away. Strike gold, fella. Very interesting phrase, strike gold. But do you know what it means? Strike gold means go catch gold. And it means, fella here means friend. So go catch gold, my friend. And here it means good luck. For example, I wish you strike gold in your first interview tomorrow. Does not literally mean that you've got to get a gold from the organization or the company that you're visiting for the interview, but it means go have a great luck on your first job interview tomorrow. Strike gold and give your best shot. The next example is, a few people have struck gold by investing in this company. That means a few people have gotten lucky as they invested in this company. Let's say there's a stock market, and in that stock market, you actually invested in one of the companies that are there, and you struck gold. If you strike gold, struck is the past of strike here. And if you strike gold, you actually get lucky because it gives you a lot of benefit in the end of the day. What actually struck gold in the recent times? What did you do that struck gold in the recent times for you? Please do let me know in the comments section below. The next way of saying good luck is, you're going to ace it. That means you're going to be perfect at it. You're going to excel it. You're going to be great at it. For example, you have prepared enough for the test. You're going to ace it. For example, imagine your brother or your sister has been preparing for all day long for the test and is really worried for the exam that is there tomorrow. And so you end up saying, you are going to ace it. You have prepared enough. That means do not worry. You're just going to be fantastic at it. The next one is luck out, a very interesting way of speaking good luck. It means to actually get lucky while you do something. For example, the cricket team really lucked out last night. They won by just 1 run. So the competition was really tough. Both the teams were equal competitors of each other. And the competition was really, really interesting as well. The game was really interesting. And it turns out that one of the teams lucked out. What is lucked out? One of the teams got really lucky as they won just by 1 run in the last game, in the last match of the cricket match. The next example is, was Barack Obama born to be successful, or did he just luck out? Well, a lot of people say that for a lot of successful people. Were they really hardworking, or was it just their luck? It's for us to understand and decide for ourselves. Barack Obama, luck out here means, did he just get lucky, or was he really hardworking? This was about luck out. Let us now look at the next one. May the force be with you, my friend. A very interesting phrase. Imagine your friends going out. That's when you can use this phrase. That means, I wish you all the good luck in the world. For example, be safe in the new country. May the force be with you. Here it means that you're traveling to a new country. You're not just traveling, you're actually moving to a new country. You have to take good care of yourself. And thus, may the force be with you. What is the meaning of force here? It actually means godly powers, spiritual powers. May those positive energies be with you. Let's now move to the next one. May it falls into your lap. So both the phrases, the last one and this one, actually start with may. You use may to talk about wishes, to talk about something that you're wishing for happens. May it falls into your lap. That means an opportunity. You're hoping that an opportunity comes at your door. That means you actually end up getting that opportunity. For example, you should get this deal. May it falls into your lap. Imagine there's a business deal which has a lot of money and a lot of opportunities as well involved in it. And you're wishing your friend, may it falls into your lap. That means, may you get that opportunity. Next one that we have is, make hay while the sun shines. That means, what is hay? Make use of the opportunity till the sun is shining, till the sun is bright. For example, you're lucky they've approached you to work abroad. Make hay while the sun shines. Imagine you're one of the software engineers at an IT firm, and your manager approaches you to travel abroad for some very important meetings and work. So you're saying to your friend, make hay while the sun shines. That means make use of this opportunity. Do not let this opportunity go by. It's very important for you to understand that it is an important opportunity that you have to make use of immediately. Let's now move to the next one. Knock on the wood. What is knock on the wood? Knock on the wood is a very interesting phrase and an interesting thing that people do. For example, have you seen people saying, I wish I get that job? People actually do that on the wood. So this is exactly how we say it as well. And as I've written here, it could be a superstition as well, but we are not saying it. It really depends on the person. For example, you'll get the most prestigious job, I know. And after that, the person says, knock on the wood. That means there's no wood around me, but I still say, knock on the wood. So this was about knock on the wood. Next example is, the deal will be agreed on Wednesday, knock on the wood. That means you're saying that I'm really hopeful that this important opportunity comes on in my way, and I hope that that nothing negative happens with it. Knock on the wood. That means no wood around me, but I really hope that that this ends up happening to me. I do end up getting that opportunity. This was all about all that we have about phrases to use when you want to say good luck for an opportunity that you have. So in case you have an opportunity tomorrow that's coming up, I want to wish you good luck, blow them away, knock them down, etc., etc. Do let me know what are your favorite phrases in the comment section below. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.